to do that, we're going to go to Items in the menu at the top of the page, and then Create Items. And now that we are on the Create Items page, we're going to click the Next button either at the top right or the bottom right of the page. At a minimum, you will need to fill in the fields that are in green, but I would also recommend filling in some of the other fields. If you don't fill the other fields in now, then you will be able to fill them in later as a different part of the process. But if you do fill them in now, you can still edit them later, and that information will already be available for you later on in the process. So I do recommend filling in the information that you have as you go through this process. But we'll start by giving the item a title. And then we'll go ahead and add an image by clicking the Add Images button. I am going to go ahead and select an existing image that I already have in my account. If you need to upload the images, you can do it right from here. And just click the Upload button to upload those images from your computer. And then once you have uploaded the images and selected the image or images that you want, just go ahead and click the Attach Selected button. And you can see the images here. Then we're just going to give a description for the item. And we will enter in a price. You can also see there are profiles at the bottom of the page. If you are using Vendio for other marketplaces such as eBay, then these will be important for you. If not, if you're only using it for Amazon Handmade, then you can simply ignore the profile section. It's not relevant to Amazon Handmade. And once you fill that information in, just go ahead and click the Next button. Then we'll enter in our inventory quantity and click Save at either the top right or bottom right of the page to save this item.